Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this beautiful, stylish backpack I got for my husband. LANNSYNE men's leather backpack is super functional. My husband loves the style and the fact that this is Italian full grain leather, making it super soft and resistant. You're going to see that this backpack is not overly bulky, it's just perfect. He can fit so many things in here since it's super spacious. He appreciates this back pocket that has cushion to protect his laptop, and you're going to see this can fit so many things, including my laptop. He has been loving that it has roomy compartments that are separated so he can organize his items better. This is also expandable, so if you need it a little bit bigger for you to fit more items or your clothes, you can also do that as well. Something he also appreciates is that this can be used as a backpack or as a briefcase. You can either dress it up for business purposes or you can dress it down for a more casual look, stylish for everyday use. This backpack is all you need. I promise this will make your husband happy, your brother, or any friends. This backpack is not only stylish, but it's functional. It has that beautiful vintage look, and it just gets better with age, but that's just my point of view.